Hey there! Ever thought about skipping that college degree and still making bank? Well, guess what? We've got 9 certifications that pay more than you might think. So, let's dive in and see how you can start earning big without that fancy diploma. Ever wonder who keeps those big-time projects running smoothly? It's the project managers. They're like conductors, ensuring everyone's in sync. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree to become one. The PMP certification is your golden ticket to this high-demand field. Companies are constantly on the lookout for skilled project managers. Project management is where it's at, and the PMP certification unlocks a world of opportunity. The internet is a wild place, my friends, and it needs some serious protection. That's where cybersecurity professionals come in. They're the digital superheroes, keeping our data safe from hackers and cyber criminals. And guess what? You can join their ranks with the Certified Information System Security Professional, or CISSP certification. This bad boy is globally recognized and tells employers you're serious about cybersecurity. We're talking about protecting sensitive information, preventing data breaches, and basically being the shield that protects businesses from online threats. The best part? This field is booming. Companies are desperate for skilled cybersecurity professionals. So if you're tech savvy and love a good challenge, this could be your calling. Ever wished you could work for Google? Well, here's your chance. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate is your golden ticket to a career in tech, even if you're just starting out. This certification is designed by Google itself, so you know it's legit. You'll learn everything from troubleshooting computer problems to providing top-notch technical support. And the best part? Google has a massive network of hiring partners who are actively looking for certified IT professionals. So, if you're tech savvy, love solving problems, and want a career with one of the biggest names in tech, then look no further. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate is your fast track to a rewarding and in-demand career. Chapter 4: Cloud Computing. Design the future with AWS. The future is in the cloud, my friends, and Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is leading the charge. Cloud computing is changing the way businesses operate, and with the AWS Certified Solutions Architect certification, you can be at the forefront of this revolution. We're talking about designing, building, and managing cloud-based solutions for companies big and small. This certification proves you have the skills to handle the complexities of cloud, infrastructure, and applications. And trust me, companies are willing to pay top dollar for these skills. So if you're tech savvy, love innovation, and want to be a part of the future of technology, then AWS certification is the way to go. Chapter 5: Become an ethical hacker. Yes, it's a real job. Hacking isn't just for the bad guys anymore. As a certified ethical hacker, you'll protect companies from cyber attacks. It's like being a digital detective finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys. Think like a hacker, understand their tactics, and strengthen security systems. If you love problem solving and challenges, becoming a CEH might be your dream job. Chapter 6, Salesforce, the customer relationship superhero. Salesforce is like the ultimate matchmaker, but instead of connecting people, it connects businesses with their customers. It's used by millions of companies worldwide, and that's where you come in. With a Salesforce Certified Administrator certification, you'll be the one keeping those customer relationships running smoothly. We're talking about managing data, customizing the platform, and making sure businesses can connect with their customers in the best way possible. And trust me, companies are always looking for skilled Salesforce professionals to help them manage their customer relationships. So if you're organized, love working with technology, and want a career with endless possibilities, then becoming a Salesforce Certified Administrator is the way to go. Chapter 7, Tech Support, Become a Computer Whisperer. CompTIA A+ certification. Can you fix a computer with your eyes closed? The CompTIA A+ Technician certification is your entry point into IT support. It proves you can troubleshoot and fix all sorts of computer problems. Companies are constantly on the lookout for certified technicians like you. Love tinkering with computers? The CompTIA A+ Technician certification is a no-brainer. Chapter 8, Digital Marketing. Become a marketing mastermind. The world is online, my friends, and businesses need your help to navigate the digital landscape. Digital marketing is all about reaching customers where they are, on their phones, on their laptops, on their smart toasters. Okay, maybe not toasters yet, but you get the point. With a digital marketing certification, you'll learn how to create killer social media campaigns, optimize websites for search engines, and craft compelling content that converts. You'll be the mastermind behind the scenes, driving traffic and boosting sales for businesses of all sizes. So if you're creative, love connecting with people online, and want a career that's both challenging and rewarding, then digital marketing is the perfect field for you. Chapter 9, Scrum Master, the Agile Project, Ninja, CSM certification. Scrum Masters are like the ninjas of the project management world. They're agile, efficient, and always get the job done. With a certified Scrum Master CSM certification, you'll be leading teams to success using the Scrum framework, a popular agile methodology that helps teams work smarter, not harder. You'll be the facilitator, the coach, and the cheerleader, guiding your team through complex projects and ensuring everyone is on track and working collaboratively. Companies are embracing agile methodologies like Scrum, and certified Scrum Masters are in high demand. So, if you're a natural leader, love working in a fast-paced environment, and want to be at the forefront of project management, then the CSM certification is your ticket to success. Outro. It's time to level up your life. So there you have it, folks. 9 incredible certifications that can launch your career without a college degree. But remember, simply watching this video isn't enough. You have to take action. Choose a certification that excites you. Find a course or program that fits your learning style and commit to putting in the work. The world is full of opportunities for those who are willing to seize them. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your dreams a reality. The future is yours to create.